Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a game card into your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and play some games. How do you actually go ahead and insert this game card into your Nintendo Switch 2? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to find the game card slot, which is right over here. So it says game card. You can't really see it on the camera. But you want to go ahead and pull this up and then have it lay flap out just like that. Now go ahead and grab your game and make sure that's facing towards you. And then simply just go ahead and insert it into the game card until you hear it click. So you should press it down firm enough to actually hear it click and then close the top. And then now that is going to load the game card, which is this game right over here, into your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and insert a game card into your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, if you want to go ahead and actually remove the game card, all you've got to do is flip the lid again. And it's actually like a press and eject feel type to it. So you're going to press on the game card, and then it's going to actually eject the game card itself. So there you have it, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.